In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header menu on your product page in Shopify. This is a useful adjustment if you want to create a more streamlined or focused view for your visitors, particularly when they're browsing individual products. So, let's dive in and get started with this easy process. First, we need to head over to the Shopify site editor. This is your main tool for customizing the look and feel of your online store, and you can find it by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the Themes section. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Customize button next to your active theme. This will take you to the site editor where you can see a preview of your store and make changes in real time. Now, let's focus on the task at hand. In the site editor, look for the navigation pane or menu that allows you to choose the specific page you want to modify. In this case, you'll want to select the product page. Your site editor might show a variety of pages based on the theme you are using, but remember, our goal is to specifically hide the header menu on the product page. Next, once you're viewing the product page in the site editor, draw your attention to the header section at the top of the page. This area usually contains navigation links to different parts of your store, like home, shop, collections, etc. For our purpose, right-click on the header area. It's worth mentioning that the right-click function might vary slightly depending on your device or trackpad, but typically, a right-click will open up a menu with several options. Among these options, you want to look for one that says Hide. This is a straightforward function in many website builders like Shopify, allowing you to make certain elements of the page invisible without permanently deleting them. By clicking on Hide, you effectively ensure that the header menu no longer appears when someone visits a product page. This adjustment can help reduce distractions, focusing the customer's attention purely on the product you're showcasing. And that's how you do it. With just a few clicks, you've hidden the header menu on the product page. Remember, if at any point you decide you want the header back, you can simply revisit the site editor, navigate to the product page, and you'll find an option to unhide it in the same place you found the Hide option. If you have any more questions or need further clarification on this process, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'd be happy to help out. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful as you continue to customize and optimize your Shopify store.